What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restock video. I am super excited to show you all the slimes that we are going to be having this week, but I do have a confession. This is actually not a restock for my slime shop. This is actually a restock for an event that we're going to be going to. It's SLIMETOPIA 2 in Washington State. I am so excited. If you're in Auburn, Washington, come through, or Seattle, come through. It'll be so fun to meet you at this event. It is a 2-day event on June 15th and 16th, so I am really excited. I know a lot of people like to watch restock videos, but they don't actually buy the slime, so this one specifically goes out to y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and again, I'm so sorry that I'm not restocking this week, but if we do have any leftover of these slimes from the event, then I will definitely make sure to put them online for you all so y'all can snatch. So yeah, right now you are watching Chanel number 2, the iconic queen, my bestseller. I love her so much. Very thick and glossy, scented like Bubblicious bubblegum. Next up, we have Blood Moon. This slime is not new to the shop, however, it's been a while since I've actually restocked this. The last time I brought this into the shop was when the Blood Moon was actually happening, and so I decided to bring it back with a revamped look, so it's kind of like a version 2. It is the same exact color. It's like a dark blood red color with a bunch of holographic sparkle glitters. However, this time I did add in some hollow moon glitters as well, and I lightly scented this, like super lightly, like Mango Dragon Fruit Refresher, because that's one of my favorite scents right now, and I love to drink at Starbucks, so I was like, why not? Carnival KRISPIE is a new slime to the KRISPIE collection. This one is a cotton candy soda scented KRISPIE. If you don't know what a KRISPIE is, it's basically my term for a hybrid slime of a snow fizz and a microfloam that I like to make. It's so good, super crunchy, and it makes the best crispy sounds ever. It's just really nice. This one is packed with snow fizz and microfoam beads. There's also some clay chunks in there and sprinkles. It's just so beautiful, and I love it so much. Yellowberry Punch is one of my favorite slimes right now, honestly, and it just smells so good. It's actually scented like Hawaiian Punch, and it's a really nice butter slime. I actually showed you all how I made this in my restock with me video, so if you haven't watched that, wait till this video is over and then go see how I made all these slimes, because I actually show you, and it's super cool. I know a lot of people like to hide recipes, but I am not one of those people, y'all. You should know this. So yeah, back to the slime anyways. I like to go on rants sometimes. I'm sorry. This one is a really nice smooth butter slime. It's made with a blend of clays, scented like Hawaiian Punch, and it is adorned with these Fimo slices that are fruits, and it's just so good. I love it. It inflates a lot, and it's super easy to inflate. I just really love this slime. Easily it'll inflate like 2 to 3 times its size. Baja Blast is my second bestseller in the shop. This one likes to sell out sometimes even before Chanel, and I know you're probably thinking, why didn't you show this second? Well, because a lot of people have actually suggested that I kind of mix up the big three because they're kind of tired of seeing them back to back to back, and I totally get it, and I am a people pleaser. I do this for y'all, so I definitely wanted to take your suggestion and implement that in the video. So this is Baja Blast. It's a really nice hybrid slime. It is a hybrid slime of a cloud dough and an icy slime. It's just really good, very thick and holdable, yet it gives you that web drizzle, and it's super nice. It's scented just like a Baja Blast soda that you would get from Taco Bell, and it's really good, and you should definitely try to snatch this slime at SLIMETOPIA because it's amazing. Doritos Loco Taco is actually going to be at SLIMETOPIA as well. I just introduced this slime last week as a part of a Taco Bell duo with Baja Blast, so I am really excited. The reception of this slime was really great, and you all seem to really like it online, so let's see if you enjoy it at SLIMETOPIA. It is actually a thick and glossy slime with a bunch of foam add-ins. There are foam beads to represent meat or like beans or anything like that, and then there are also some lettuce, tomato, and cheese foam add-ins as well to make it look like a real taco. It is a thick and glossy base slime, and it is scented like tortilla chips, which is amazing. I didn't know how much I would love that scent, but it's actually really good. And the next slime we have here is Moon Pie Crunchy, and it is scented just like a moon pie. I blended a bunch of different scents to get the exact scent of a chocolate moon pie, and I think I hit it spot on, girl. It smells so good. It is a white glue slushie with a bunch of different add-ins like clay chunks and sprinkles just to represent chocolate and cake, and it's just really nice. Definitely very good. There's no bead fallout, and you would definitely be able to tell because I am a very aggressive slime player, and there was no beads falling out, honey. Not to toot my own horn, but toot toot toot. Next up, we have the slime, the myth, the legend that is Mud Mask, y'all. This one's another hybrid slime and another one of my bestsellers. This one is so good. It's scented like green tea lemon, and it is a hybrid texture of a cloud cream and a butter slime together, which just makes it so amazing. Very sizzly, spreadable, and just amazing. I know I keep saying that, but it really is. I definitely would put this under underrated slimes for sure because I don't know why, but this one is definitely an underrated slime. I would think personally that it would sell out faster than Chanel just because of the texture. Like, the texture is so complex and the scent is amazing. It's a blend of scent, but no, you all like Chanel more, which is okay because I love Chanel as well. She is the queen for a reason, but I just feel like, you know, Mud Mask needs to get a little bit more shine. Even though it is a bestseller, you know, I just feel like it could do a little better sales-wise, you know? Lavender Margarita is another one of my favorite slimes this week because it is a jelly slime and the color is just so beautiful. It's a light lavender color and it's scented lightly like the name Lavender Margarita. And yeah, it's just really cool. The texture is amazing because it's a jelly slime, but it also has some sugar beads in there for added texture. And of course, those lemon Fimo slices to just complete the look, and I just really love it. And lastly, we are also going to have our iconic slime sundae bar. I believe it is also the original slime sundae bar. I don't think that there was a slime sundae bar before this one. Just saying, I did this a couple of events back at Slime Pop and it was a hit. So we're going to take it to every single event. So let me know what kind of ice cream flavors y'all want to see at your event. Yeah, so basically you get 1 scoop of a cloud cream ice cream slime. For the SLIMETOPIA event, we're actually going to have very, very strawberry ice cream and then vanilla caramel ice cream as well. Then you get to choose 2 toppings and a charm to top your slime. And if you want for an extra charge of $3 only, you can get a 2 ounce of jelly slime, which is hot fudge, strawberry, or caramel drizzle, so that you can drizzle it over your slime. You can do it when you get home, or you can do it there if you want to like film it there. You know, it's up to you, girl. Whatever you want to do, girl or boy, you know, anybody can get a slime sundae. It is all inclusive. But yeah, love it. Alrighty, y'all, well, that is pretty much it for this restock video, quote unquote. Let me know if you want to see more of these restock videos, even when I do events. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!